Once again, very stupid that I'm doing this. Ho. We have an iPhone 10. So this is another one of the phones that Aquatic Monkey sent us. He already contacted the owner and they didn't want it. But I want to see if I can get this on, because at that point, I believe that iPhones are invincible. We're just going to unscrew, open it up. Holy. I didn't know it was that bad. I knew it was bad. I didn't know it was that bad. Okay, I take back everything I just said. This is not turning on. There's like a beehive in here. What is that? That's sand. Unscrew. I'm going to get a disease from this. Remove. Oh my god. I don't even want to touch this, to be honest. Alright. So that's what we're working with. That looks great. Just so you guys actually know, look at this. This is not turning on. Again, guys, I'm doing this for fun. The owner did not want it. The diver already contacted him, so I can do whatever I want. We're just going to drown it in some alcohol. I'm just going to go over the board. You guys keep saying you should use an ultrasonic cleaner, but I don't have one. Unscrew. Oh, that screw is so rusted. A lot of you guys keep saying use a drill bit. I don't want to take a drill anywhere near a phone, because if you slip just a tiny bit, then the phone's done. Okay, so we're going to be using this as the donor housing, just because we don't know what works here. Probably not a whole lot. So we're going to take our board that's half cleaned and not properly done, and we're going to put it in the donor housing. Okay, the moment of truth. Once again, very stupid that I'm doing this. Ho. Down. Did you guys see that? What was that? What did I just do? Let's try it again. Hopefully I don't die. Okay. Something just happened. There was a spark. Very concerning. Whatever. Anyway, let's finish this off, because it's definitely not going to work after that spark. Once again, guys, I'm not actually trying here. So, well, that didn't work, but I am happy that I'm still alive, because that was a bit scary. We could not revive this one. Not that I really tried. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very useless video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.